I'm not going to waste your time. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a talking animated avatar like mine using completely free AI tools. In fact, channels using animated AI avatars are blowing up right now. Just look at this one. This channel skyrocketed simply because of using an AI avatar. Even my own channel went from 0 to 20,000 subscribers. And now, with YouTube's new monetization policy officially live, if there's one thing you should do right now, it is to create a virtual persona for your channel. It doesn't even matter what niche you're in, you can use this to create AI talking videos, or simply as your channel logo to look professional. That's exactly why, in this video, I'm breaking down the two types of AI avatars I created for my own channel. One is masked and animated, while the other is unmasked and realistic. And here's the best part. I've created a free prompt document that does everything for you. It doesn't generate basic, stock-looking avatars, but one that looks and matches your specific style and niche. So watch this video till the end, because I'll also be giving a bonus prompt at the end. Welcome to AI Upskill. Let's get started. Let's start with the masked avatar. This is the coolest method, as you don't even need to worry about voiceovers or lip syncing. So to create a masked avatar image, I'll be using Dream Machine from Luma Labs. It creates realistic images and videos with consistent characters. So, once you've signed up, you'll be brought to this dashboard. As you can see, I've been using it myself to create AI avatars for my videos. So click on this plus icon to create a new board. My prompt document makes the whole process super easy. You can access it from my Discord server. Just copy the first prompt and drop it in here. This prompt already includes necessary descriptions like character appearance, outfits, and background. However, you can change them to better suit your channel style and niche. Just swap your own channel name from here to personalize it. Also, make sure you've selected image and chosen 16:9 as the aspect ratio. Lastly, click on the Generate button. Let's fast forward a bit. And boom, your masked avatar is ready. Pretty cool, right? If you didn't like the generations, simply click Show More on the same prompt, and it will generate 4 more images. Now here's where the real fun begins. Once you've selected and downloaded the image, we'll use Dream Machine's keyframe feature to animate it. Simply upload your downloaded avatar image as a reference. Click here to adjust the number of videos you want, quality of the video, and its model from the given 3 options. Next, copy the second prompt from my Google Doc and paste it into this box. Lastly, click on the Generate button. This prompt gives your avatar realistic motions like subtle head turns, expressive gestures, and hand movements. After a short wait, here's how it looks. Damn, this looks insane. But let's say you want a realistic avatar that can speak with perfect lip sync. That's where the unmasked avatar comes in, and this is where things get really powerful. First, we need a natural and expressive voice that doesn't sound fake. So for this, I'll be using dupdub, an AI tool packed with features for video, audio, text, and much more. Start by navigating to the AI voiceover feature and pasting your video script. Dupdub allows you to modify everything: alias, phoneme, pause, and even speed and pitch. These features will help you to create a more realistic voice. You can explore them later on your own. Next, click on the More Voiceover button. And as you can see, it has a wide range of options. From animation voices to making money online, and even voices for Reddit and fake tech story videos. It also has a voice cloning feature that allows you to duplicate any voice. So simply select a voice that matches with your generated avatar. Lastly, click on Generate, and within seconds, your AI voiceover will be ready.
Hello, I'm an AI avatar created by AI Upskill. Come join our growing community by subscribing to the channel.
This sounds extremely natural. Finally, it's time to lip sync it with an AI avatar. Head back to dupdub AI and navigate to the AI avatar feature. Go to its newly launched motion avatar feature. Currently, it only generates avatars with the templates given below. It includes a wide range of options. Simply select the one you like. The tool also allows you to add a voiceover from here. However, this approach doesn't give you full control over the voiceover. Therefore, simply upload your generated voiceover from here. Once everything looks good, click on the Generate button. So let's skip the boring generation process. And as you can see, our video is ready. Click here to download the video. Here's a preview of it.
Hello, I'm an AI avatar created by AI Upskill. Come join our growing community by subscribing to the channel.
Pretty realistic, right? Both of these methods can also be used to create a professional logo for your channel. So let me know in the comments, which avatar will you create? Also, my prompt document contains a bonus prompt that can be used to create a realistic masked avatar like this. As the real secret isn't just the tools, it's the prompts. That is why you can get the prompts for free on my Discord server. and all of the other tools from the description of this video. And hey, if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to AI Upskill. I share new AI tools, creative niches, and faceless channel strategies every week. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. See you soon.